guys, welcome to my kitchen. This is Cooking with Yvette. Today we'll be making some black cake. As you can see that this is grind fruits. I have 8 pounds of grind fruits with nuts, mixed fruits and rum or wine, your choice, okay? And along with the cream, butter, sugar and eggs, all already mixed and ready to use. Okay, I already have a video with all of these ingredients. This is one of the reasons why. And this is the flour that I already set aside. Okay, with this is 2.5 pounds of flour, I'm sorry. And I have the star anise, I have the clove, cinnamon, and some grind orange peel, dry grind orange peel, okay, along with some burnt sugar. Okay, so we're gonna start by mixing everything together. So I've been placing the fruits little bit by little bit so that everything could be combined equally and evenly into the butter or the cream. Okay, as you can see, want to make sure that everything be even out while mixing it all together. And this is the flour, and if I didn't mention it, everything already in this flour along with the baking powder, and I will be listing everything in the description bar down below. Alright, so I'm gonna, as you can see now, I'm using the whisk spatula, I'm sorry, and mixing the flour into the mixture. This is cake goop. This make with flour, shortening and oil. Equal parts it made with. Okay, so whether if you want to use 1 tablespoon of shortening, 1 tablespoon of flour and 1 tablespoon of oil in order to make this cake goop. And this is how you base the pan with it when you finish. Okay, much easier to when you finish baking, it comes out of the pan smooth. Okay, cake goop. Always make the amount that you may need, so it must be according to your how much you want to make. Okay, so now we're gonna put it in the oven to bake.
Just put 90 minutes. Oops.
In the oven we go, 300 degree for 1 hour. Okay, so this is it. Take a toothpick and you clean.
Who just won the North Carolina Senate race, was the co-sponsor in the House of the 15-week abortion ban. This person is now in the Senate.
So we're gonna pour some red wine all over the cake. Alright, you can use rum if you want. So we're gonna do it on all the cake. Alright. Just as it come out of the oven, that's what we have to do. Pour the wine all over and let it sit. So, after this cake cold, as you can see, I didn't have to use any knife or anything to space it out. I'm gonna open it up. Alright. I'm gonna place it on a plate. So I just turn it over on the other side, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna flip it right back. So I just add it to the plate and I'm gonna cut it. Alright, and there you see. Guyanese black cake, guys.